Here's how to dispose of firearm in FFLSafe. First, start on your dashboard. Then click Dispose Firearm. This will take you to the disposition page. From here, select the type of disposition you need. You can choose an individual without an FFL, FFL, government agency, destroyed, or lost and stolen. For this example, we are dispositioning to an individual who does not have an FFL. Next, click on Add Contact. Here, you will enter in all the ATF required information for this contact. Since we selected that the disposition is an individual, FFLSafe asks us for the information pertaining to non-FFLs. Below is optional information you can use for your personal tracking. In this example, I am selecting that I have their ID on file. Click Add, and then click Proceed. The next step is to select the firearm in your inventory that you are dispositioning. Click here to start, then find the firearm from the drop-down list. In this example, I am choosing a Ruger PC9, serial number RUG9837. Remember, for you to disposition a firearm, it must be in your inventory. Finally, select the date when the disposition occurred, then review all the information to ensure it is correct. When you are ready, click Dispose the firearm. Until you accept, the firearm has not been disposed in FFLSafe. Be sure that your Form 4473, if required, or other applicable items are completed before finishing the transaction. That's it. The firearm has been disposed. To check this, you can view the disposition either on the dashboard here or within your bound book here.